Hey everyone, how y'all doing? It's time to do the giveaway for this awesome Asher Knives Nomad Framelock. If you remember back when I had my 1,000 subscriber giveaway, I was supposed to gotten this for that giveaway, and the timing didn't work out, and I got this after I already posted the video, and I said I was gonna wait a while and do a separate giveaway for this knife. And yeah, I decided to do it now. So this giveaway is going to run from today, October 23rd, until October 30th, around 8 o'clock ish, 8 o'clock, October 30th. And I'll draw the name, and I'll post a drawing video on Halloween, October 31st. So this is going to run from today, October 23rd, through the 30th. And the winning or the drawing video will be uploaded and published on Halloween. So, yeah, I'm excited to give this away. This is an awesome knife. Here's the box, Asher Knives Company box. And might as well just show you. It comes in a very hard to open box. But yeah, it fits right in here. Nice presentation. Dig it. But yeah, I really dig this knife. I still needed to get myself one. There's actually another model I think I'll get before this one. I don't know. But anyways, this is an awesome knife. I'm very excited to give away. And if you want to know some of the specs on this, overall length is 7.4 inches. You got a 3.2 inch blade. You got a 4.2 inch, 3.2 inch blade, 4.2 inch handle. Handle is very slim at 0.334 inches. It's a thin, very thin knife. The blade stock is pretty thin at 0.09. It is S35VN steel, nice stonewash, flat grind drop point, frame lock, stainless steel frame lock, G10 on this side, has a loop over pocket clip, fairly deep carry, and it is reversible left or right, has a filler tab, tip up, and yeah, the action on this thing is very, very snappy. Drop shut, not bad, couple of little shakes, but yeah, the deployment action is awesome. These thumb studs are right, just about in a perfect spot every time it opens. Easy access to the lock bar right here. Yeah, nice. Very nice, slim knife. Yeah, I don't know. I can't tell you how much it weighs. We'll check that real quick. I'm on fluid ounces. Grams. There we go. 3 ounces. This scale comes up 3 ounces even. So very lightweight, very thin, carries nice. I've only had it in my pocket a couple times for a few minutes. I have not carried this. It's made, a couple Instagram posts, and I think I cut a piece of paper 4 times with it. So, very sharp edge. I'm not even going to bother using it again to cut paper. So, it's brand new. It's only been handled a little bit. Like I said, I think I made 4 little cuts in a piece of paper in the video I did on it to demonstrate how sharp it was. But yeah, very, Very nice. And that pocket clip, there's plenty of room. Pocket clip's recessed, got flathead screws, in and out pocket, pretty good. No problems. Get the G10 scale, or JG10. You know, I like the natural G10. I think it looks cool. You can see some of the insides, but easy. You could dye it any color you want, make it customized to yourself. Nice sharpening choil. Stone wash is awesome. I've gotten some really nice knives with nice stone washes done, and this is one of them. The Framelock side is stone washed also. Pocket clip. Yeah, awesome knife. I really have to get me one. And if I do, I think I'll get the JG10 and dye it. I have a couple of knives I want to try dyeing. But yeah, it's time to do the giveaway on this. And the rules are simple. Same as last time. Basically, 18 years of age or older, unless you have parents, consent going through me. For now, it's got to be continental U.S. address only. If you're out of the country, out of the continental U.S., and you have an address to send it to, a friend, family member, whatever, you can do that and they can ship it to you. But that's up to you. Leave a comment on this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed. So, like I said, very easy. 4 rules. 18 years or older, continental U.S. address. Comment on this video. Subscribe to the channel. And you'll have 48 hours to contact me via email. This is my stuff. I'll show this in the drawing video. Begin. And yeah. So, remember, it ends October 30th. Let's say 7 p.m. Eastern time. I'll do the drawing, I'll record the drawing, and I'll post the video on Halloween. I'm not sure exactly what time I'll post it. I've been posting videos, like around 10 a.m. every day, but I may post this just a little bit later on Halloween. So, yeah. Whoever wins this, I'm pretty sure you're going to love it. Centering is dead on. T8 pivots. We can check. I don't know what the body screws are. They look like T6s. If I can find it. It's a 7. There we go. T6. Yep. T6 and the 2 body screws. Pocket clip screws. And try to verify that's T8 right here. T8. Yep, T8 pivot screws. Pretty awesome. Look at it one more time. Go focus. Yeah, this in my opinion is a bug out killer. Very nice. Seems very similar style grip. Nice and thin, but sturdy. You got the solid stainless steel frame lock on this side. You got a stainless steel liner, nested liner in a G10. Very sturdy knife. Absolutely no blade play. Yeah, just very lightweight but sturdy knife. Love the blade shape. I love that blade shape. Got a nice wedge on top. The Asher nice logo right there. That's the only marking on that side. This side you get the S35EN steel marking on that side, and that is it. Very clean looking knife. But yeah, I guess that's it. Remember, leave a comment below in this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like the video. Get this thing out there. More likes and comments. It might get pushed out to more people. But yeah, that's it. Guess till the next video. Bye.